with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. Any day above and not under, it's a blessed day. Amen? Amen. Y'all, today we're doing a little seafood boil. I had some, what's this, snow crab in the freezer, so I said, let me get to it. So we have some shrimps in here, some snow crab, potatoes, corns, broccoli, you know, cucumbers, these little mini cubes. Is that the name of them? They good, that's all I know. And yeah, that's it. Let's get started because I'm hungry. Now I got some Coke over there on the side. All right. I don't even know where to start. Where to start? Where to dig? I know I gotta dig down in here. These were jumbo shrimps that I bought. Child, they turn into little miniatures.
That's what happens
they shrunk
when you cook them.
They shrunk down to nothing. It's all right. We gonna work with what we have, right, y'all? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon all over this.
Hey, cousin.
So how is y'all day going? Y'all, I got lots of onions and
garlic.
And garlic in here. Oh, that lemon just, ooh. How was y'all day? I hope everybody is doing good today.
What kind of butter sauce you got in there? Just something you threw together?
Just some, yeah. Okay. Ain't nothing special.
Okay. How's all my cousins doing? Tell me how y'all doing in the comments below.
Yeah. It's hot too. Oh, I found me some corn. Ooh, they look good. I can't wait to taste it. My baby said she wanted some. She said, Mama, can you make me some jerk shrimp? So I had to make them jerk shrimp.
Yeah, that's why I'm over here munching on that, y'all.
That's what she wanted. She got it. Oh, I didn't even share. I'm so sorry. Foodie fam. Hold on. And the potato and the butter sauce is so good. Get y'all some with some onions and stuff on there. Ooh, potato soft. Y'all ready? Ooh, I'm trying to get it over there without messing up the whole place. Got it, boo? All right. Oh, I gotta give you a thumbnail, child.
Bad mom. I'm so over to it, Y'all, and
I always forget to say, y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like my video. And if you watch all the time, why not? Press that subscribe button.
If you haven't already.
If you haven't already, support your girl. That was not me. Okay. I'm gonna give you a thumbnail, child.
Nah, bye. You are canceled. You are canceled.
Yeah, I gave her a thumbnail. What she talking about?
Whatever. Your bootleg version of the thumbnail.
You still got it. Don't matter.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, I can't believe how these shrimps shrunk. These things is like...
That's why everybody else get them prawns. Probably.
I couldn't find none.
Yeah, you gotta order that online.
I got ordered. I couldn't find myself. You know. It's alright, I'm gonna order something.
Cara baked her first cake, y'all.
Oh yeah. And she ain't give me none. How is it?
It's good.
It is.
I'm eating it, cousins.
Show them what it look like.
I don't feel like moving right now. Normally I would.
You don't feel like moving?
Mm-mm.
It's okay.
Just a yellow cake with chocolate frosting.
Boy, I can't wait to get them big old prawns. I know I'm gonna enjoy them suckers. Ooh wee. I just know I am. I'm gonna be in a whole different world. I swear. I am, man. I don't know. Shrimps are good.
Yeah, it's like something everybody like.
Good.
If you don't like shrimps, I don't think I
Quite
can
don't
talk
like
to
it.
you.
Quite don't like it.
Why you don't like shrimps? Oh, I can't talk to
My
him.
father.
Can't talk to him.
That's my son.
Right.
You don't like all that seafood.
Some people don't like seafood though.
You don't like it.
How would they really go on that cake? It was like
For real?
like soft.
Really? I want to taste
And
it.
moist.
Like moist.
Yeah, you can't just be demanding Cara though. It'll start getting on the decline. Like you gotta do it. You know what I seen? They said it's a hack.
What?
Coca-Cola and ginger.
It's a what?
Like a life hack. I was watching it on Facebook. Like you boil a Coca-Cola and the ginger on the stove. And then you drink it like tea.
That tastes good?
No, it's supposed to
What you do?
help with like when you're cold, like you gotta
a
flu
cold?
or something.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just hanging. So I just let it hang. You want it to hang out. So I'm not one to deny.
I hope y'all know if these videos come out the same day we film them. Like these is like this is how she is at the moment. Same day.
I don't have no pre-recorded videos right now.
Yeah, we got one.
If she put that out, we gonna have words.
It's gonna get put out one day. Oh, can I get one?
I'm like, dang, I can't even.
I love the knuckles, y'all. Oh my god. I just want, if she would just give me the knuckle, I'll probably be cool too. It's just so good. I want to taste a claw. We love that it's good.
B-Love said it's good.
B-Love said she liked the claw. Better than through the legs.
This girl love B-Love. When I tell
Am
you.
I talking? Hold on. I think I'm talking about a lobster. Yeah, I'm talking about a lobster. She rather lobster claws.
She loves B-Love.
I love you too.
You better. Girl. Listen. This ain't my sister's, but it's gonna work today. The hell did they cut with it?
Yeah.
Y'all my kids. Dang. See why I can't be bothered?
I can't even see what you're doing.
Oh.
I want to see you struggle.
Oh! Why you want to see that? It's okay. I said I was going to eat snow crab till I learned how to open it. Dang right, didn't I?
Girl, you always say you always saying something.
Can't be bothered with the snow crab. Snow crab be too much work, man. I don't know how Casey
You
does.
can't eat Casey Connection.
She be popping them things like it ain't
First of all,
nobody
her
business.
snow crabs is not like your snow crabs. Her snow crabs look good. Like they big. Cause she live in Florida.
I know, right?
So she get it. She get it good.
This crap that they sell us, boy.
Where did it come from?
Aldi.
Yeah.
This one came from Aldi.
Well, it was for a good price, so we can't even complain.
Yeah, I'm paying for the good price, okay?
Yeah, you paid for it. You get what you
You
paid
get what
for.
you pay for. Ain't no
Oh,
joke.
you got the claw this time. You look dirty. You look dirty.
The meat up in here is sweet.
She dirty.
The meat up in here is sweet.
Mm-hmm.
It's sweet like a mug. No fooling though. Snow crab meat is good.
It is. It's
But-
very good.
It's just
You know, on Instagram, a lot of foodie fans was saying that they like the snow crab.
and yeah, snow crab is good, but it's just
Cause
like
king crab taste is just, it's different. It's
It
not
is.
as sweet.
but
As sweet.
you just gotta work extra hard. I was just gonna do some shrimps and corn and stuff, and Kara like, Mama, do them. That's what I like to do. I like to sit and suck on the daggone things. Put that lemon on there.
She really should have did a shrimp one, cause that's all she's been attacking. Post shrimp.
Oh, when that lemon hit it though, it's like it transforms it. Takes it to a whole nother level.
Oh, level.
What the? I found this corn today. I hope they sweet.
That's what I was about to say. I said the only thing I pray for is that they
I
sweet.
hope so. And I got 2 of them up in here.
Mm.
I'm like, I want my corn.
She got almost full. Dang, did you have to wipe your mouth?
Yeah.
Dang, let it drip a little. Little.
They can't even see it no way because the corn is blocking. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. What?
You making that corn look so good.
It's good. You just what?
What? I have to watch.
He just keeps staring at me, y'all. Don't make me cry today. I don't care what you say, I gotta wipe. I don't like to feel all that stuff on my face.
Something on your face too.
I do? Mm-hmm. Where?
It's on the side right here.
I can't see.
Hey, I'm almost done. Right where you was wiping. Hey, there you go.
Thank you.
There you go.
Can't leave not one on there. Mm-hmm.
Corn is an awesome gift from God.
It sure is. Especially when it's sweet. Oh. Not to mention Coke. Lord have mercy. Eyes was thirsty, can you tell?
Yeah.
My Coke, that ice melted in there. And got my stuff flat. Oh. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Have I ever made a short seafood video? Seafood videos are not short. I'm sorry. But so what's new? What's new? What's new? What's new in the world today? I got no clue. I just know that I woke up this morning and it was cold. After being nice, it had the nerve to be cold. But what's up, Moo? I need me a piece of cake. Once a cheat, always a cheat. They don't change. Ooh, y'all. It's they buried Nipsey today.
R.I.P. Nip.
Yeah. That's what I was hearing. That's what my sister was telling me. I'm not sure. I didn't see it. Okay. So I ain't been paying no attention. Because I swear. There's something about Lauren London and her mama and his mama and all that. I don't know. Nothing about it, cause I ain't been keeping up with that mess. Excuse me, y'all. I just want to eat, do my mukbangs, my eating videos, and call it a day. She gonna bring it on paper towel. Thank you. Your sister said it's good. I'ma try it.
You're not welcome. I told her she's not welcome.
Dang, well, Mika, she went out to eat. She ain't back yet. She must be having a jolly good time. with her friends. Y'all, I'm getting me some ginormous stuff out of these little bitty old things. Next seafood boil, I gotta have me some big old stuff. We have fun together eating that. These things too little. Little butter sauce got a little kick to it. I didn't think I put enough what you call it, spice in there, but Shannon, put the phone down, please. Thank you. All right.
Can I get a crab leg again?
What? No.
Why not?
Because I said no.
Yeah.
Do I need a reason?
Yeah, yes.
Oh.
Yeah, I see her double game coming out.
I got it. What? It's a schmuck.
Yeah, you were too.
Why your uncle called me this morning? Talking about
Why your brother called you this morning?
talking about I'm getting fat. I'm like, I'm getting fat? Dude, I was already fat. I'm talking about what is that? Something. So it's what? Don't make sure I'm not feeding you all that food. He got, yes.
Oh.
Got on tell her cause she, you know, she gotta find her husband. I said she already got somebody. She fine. And then he gets to talk about me and and if I put on all this weight.
Jackiana did karaoke with Rihanna.
Go for Jackiana.
Chicky.
Then he gets to talking about what he say? I ain't gonna find nobody if I get too fat. I'm like, first of all, did I tell you I need a man? Did I tell you that? But anyway,
Nobody wants to be 70 and a woman.
that's true, but
Words from Drake.
yeah, that's true, but I mean, come on now.
Uncle Douglas, stop telling them stories.
I know, right? Like,
Because every
you
man
don't
has their
have
own preference.
right, like you don't have men out here that love them some thick madams. Not everybody like bones. Some people like a little meat. Okay. So I'm like, I'm okay. Trust me, when God is ready for me to for the right man to come in my life, he'll look. I'm not gonna talk again. I'm dead ass serious now. Cause you about getting on my last nerve. I done told you already. And you is not too. Okay? So ain't no way I should be talking to you more than one time. You was not a baby. Let's put a little bit of that on there, y'all. That was a lot of work, but it was worth it. Y'all, I'm gonna move along because I gotta try my baby cake. I don't want to be too full to where I can't. Ooh, look at my clothes.
We gonna get you a bib. Don't worry, it's coming soon.
Child, please. I've been waiting on that bib. Y'all, she's supposed to order me some stuff. Send her the link and everything.
Her fingers were just as good as mine.
When you do it, it's better. That's what they tell me when whenever they want me to cook or something. Mama, when you do it, it just tastes better. Yeah, when you do it, you know, it's just better.
I've been busy.
Yeah, we all have.
Huh?
We all have been busy, okay? Excuse me, y'all. That goes in the garbage.
What was that?
All that stuff.
That's it.
Y'all, if I move this bowl, y'all see my clothes, y'all gonna say, ooh, wee. Y'all, for real. Yo, girl, my child brought me this thing on paper. Ooh, it's soft. Ooh. Can y'all see it?
Pick it up and eat it.
Girl,
Don't even show up there on the paper towel.
It's so moist.
I told you that.
It's super moist. Y'all want a bite? My baby girl made that. We went shopping the other day. She seen a baking pan, purple baking pan. Child, purple is her color. Like, Mama, can I have it? I'm like, why you need a baking pan? You don't bake. She's like, I want to bake. I want to bake.
Since when?
Since she got that purple baking pan. So I got her the baking pan. So today we went to the grocery store and she picked up the stuff she needed for her cake. Here you go.
Period.
And it's good. Your cake tastes good, Moo. Oh, yes. Y'all want to buy it, Foodie Fam? I did not share it all today. I've been stingy. Y'all quiet? Turn that down.
You still recording?
Yes. Ooh, this cake tastes good. I want some more. Y'all, that really was a good meal today. Seafood with cake. Ooh. And some good old Coke. Y'all, I will see y'all tomorrow. Have a blessed day, y'all. Bye. Love you guys.